is Dawit Taptap. I'm living in Luxembourg since 2018. I'm married and father of 2 children. I come from Eritrea. The way to come to Europe and Luxembourg in particular was not simple. Fortunately, I'm alive. As soon as you arrive to Luxembourg, the first place that you know is digital inclusion.
So Digital Inclusion is a non-profit that was founded in 2016. We have 3 goals. The first is to provide access to IT equipment for people who cannot afford it in Luxembourg. The second is to promote social inclusion. And the third is to take action for the environment by reusing old IT equipment that might otherwise be thrown away and making sure it gets passed on to someone else.
From my community point of view, we were not being exposed to digital world. So digital literacy is that much important. So you can develop your personal life through education, and it gives access to job market by itself.
The workshops offer the other side of that, which is education. If you have a computer and you don't know how to use it, it's not much use. We've been able to be far more reactive to the need we see as well. So the FSC funding allowed us to expand from just teaching basic computer skills to also offering employability classes, job coaching for individuals, and online language learning in our language lab, which has been hugely popular, especially during COVID.